Hello dear students, today we are going to do an interesting activity from the Marigold textbook. As you all know, it's an NCERT textbook in English for class 4. And the activity that we are going to do today is from the lesson Neha's Alarm Clock. The title of the activity is Say Aloud. Here I'll be showing you a word and say the word aloud. All you need to do is listen to me say the word and repeat after me. This definitely sounds interesting, isn't it? Yes. So let's get started. The first word that I have for you is OUGHT, and it is pronounced as ought. Now come on children, repeat after me. I cannot hear you. Yes, now it's better. So OUGHT is pronounced as ought. Now let us move on to the next word. The next word that I have here for you is bought. BOUGHT. It is pronounced as bought. Now it's time for you to say it, children. BOUGHT is very good. Is bought. Let's move on to the third word, which is CAUGHT, and it is pronounced as caught. CAUGHT is pronounced as caught. Very good. So children, we have come across 3 rhyming words. Let's say them aloud once again. OUGHT is odd. BOUGHT is very good, bought. And CAUGHT is excellent, caught. Now let us move on to the next set of rhyming words. MATTER, which is pronounced as matter. The next word is CHATTER, and it is pronounced as chatter. And SHATTER is pronounced as shatter. So now children, take a second and say these words. MATTER, matter. Very good. CHATTER, chatter. Excellent. SHATTER is shatter. Brilliant. Now we have some word pairs like TICK tick, TOCK tock. So it goes like this, tick tock. And what makes the sound tick tock? Yes, a clock makes the sound tick tock. So say it aloud, children. Tick tock. Let me hear you. Yes, very good. Tick tock. And now our second word pair is tell, told. TELL, tell. TOLD, told. Tell, told. So say it aloud, children. TELL is very good, tell. And TOLD is excellent, told. Let's go through the next pair of words. TRAIN is train. You all know that, isn't it? And TIME is time. So it goes like this, train, time. TRAIN, train, TIME, time. So say it aloud, children. Yes, it is train time. Very good. The next pair is TICK tick, TACK tack. And it sounds tick tack. Yes? So say it aloud, children. Very good. Tick tack. The next word pair is TIP tip, TIN tin. So it goes like this, children. Tip, tin. They do rhyme, isn't it? Yes. Say it aloud with me, children. Tip, tin. Let me hear you again. Very good. Tip, tin. The last word pair that we have here is take, tall. TAKE, take, TALL, tall. Now let me hear you, children. Very good. Take tall. Thank you for saying the words aloud with me, children.